Hey, it's Joe, and this is my next project.
Welcome to the shop. Here's all my little Jetpack parts. Got a couple of weeks, 2 weeks to get this thing together. This is what a Jetpack looks like taken apart, apparently. All this stuff. These gauges, nice little liquid filled gauges. I like those. TV swivel mounts, a lamp, Scott pack with the top cut off, fire extinguishers there. I cut the tops off those and I welded them back on those. They still hold air, we'll use those. A lot of these metal bins, like the bicycle bars, just for the bins. I had a coffee pot. What other stuff? That's going to be all the harnessing. It's a backpack, got a thrift store. Some aluminum. Got some square aluminum, flat aluminum. Front end off of a four-wheeler of some kind. I thought it was nice. Piece of thick aluminum.
I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, tell your friends and subscribe. It's important.